So down here in Eltham in southeast London, this is just an update video of a project we've been currently working on for the last couple of weeks. So what we've done on this project so far is we've brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We've cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we've repointed all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar in a penny roll finish. So I'm just going to give you a close up and show you how that all now looks. This has come out really well. Brickwork was in a really bad condition, so as you can see, all looks really nice. Perfect finish throughout the brickwork. Drying out really well now. So what's left to do next is the stonework. So rubbing back all of the stonework, getting all the loose flaky paint off, filling all the bad cracks, getting everything nice and square, and then going to decorate obviously all of the stonework back in white. So as you can see, pointing looks absolutely crisp, faultless finish once again. Customers are really happy with how this is all coming out. So I'm just going to show you upstairs. So I'm just waiting for the customers, roofers, to put some new gutter on this so we can get on with the decoration work. So as you can see, everything upstairs again, all finished really nice. All of the gables been done. Just show you a bit around here. So as you can see, all of the gables been done. So like I say, just waiting now for them to put the rest of this fascia board and guttering on so we can carry on with the decoration work, hopefully soon as possible. But once again, lads have done a really good job. Looks really well. So as you can see, another project being finished to the highest standard as always. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.